You will love this one. Very simple but yet delicious. You guys, this is restaurant style pasta you want to try for your family. So let's make it. First, you want to make your white sauce. In a pot, add some butter, allow to melt. Next, add some flour, stir until it forms something like dough. Now, add milk gradually and stir until you get the right consistency, and this should be on low heat. Stir very well so that it doesn't form lumps. Once that is done, I will add salt and black pepper, stir, and it's ready. Set aside and prep other ingredients. Now I'm going to blanch my spinach to remove excess water from it. I'll add hot water, stir and allow to sit for a minute. Next I'll take to my sink, run very cold water on it to stop it from cooking. Squeeze out excess water and set aside. I will do same with my broccoli. As you can see, I shredded the broccoli. Now I will add hot water, allow to sit for 2 minutes. Next I will take to my sink, run very cold water on it, sieve it and set aside. Once I'm done prepping, it's time to make my pasta. In a boiling water, I will add salt, add my pasta, stir and allow to cook. In another pan, I will add my pancetta. You guys, this is pork. Please use chicken if that is what you prefer. I will add my minced garlic. I'm not gonna add salt because it already has a tiny bit of salt in it. I will stir for 3 to 5 minutes and it's ready. This is one of Wisdom's favorites, so it helped a lot. At this time, I check on the pasta and it's ready. I'm going to transfer everything in the white sauce. I will scoop in the pasta, the pork, broccoli and the spinach. Stir until well combined. You guys, this is premium or nothing. Luxury or nothing. Anyways, I don't want to talk much on this recipe. Just give it a try. For more creaminess, I will add some grated cheese and white sauce. Stir until well combined. At this point, I don't know what else to say. This is so good. It's too good, guys. Save and enjoy.